Threading aluminum rigid conduit can be accomplished with a regular pipe die. However, it's crucial to use a sharp die specifically designed for aluminum. Always apply a generous amount of lubrication to the conduit and die to reduce friction and prevent galling. Thread slowly and steadily to avoid overheating or deformation of the aluminum conduit. A pull-type die provides better control and requires less effort compared to push-type dies when threading. Bending aluminum rigid conduit can be done using a 1-inch EMT bender, but only if it's specifically rated for bending aluminum. Apply lubricant to the bending point to reduce friction during the bending process. Using a bending spring helps prevent kinking and deformation of the aluminum. Employ progressive bending techniques, making small bends at a time to avoid cracking or tearing the conduit. Be cautious to avoid overbending, as aluminum conduit is more susceptible to this issue. Test fit the bend each time before making further adjustments. Consider these additional tips when working with aluminum rigid conduit. Firstly, wear gloves to protect your hands, as aluminum chips can be sharp. Secondly, use aluminum fittings, as they are specifically designed for aluminum conduit to ensure proper connections. Thirdly, support the conduit adequately throughout its run to prevent sagging or vibration. Fourthly, mark the threads before tightening the fittings to prevent cross-threading. Remember, working with aluminum rigid conduit requires more care and attention than working with steel conduit. With proper preparation and technique, you can achieve a professional result. Aluminum experiences greater thermal expansion compared to steel. This difference in expansion rates can cause issues in certain applications, particularly where the conduit is exposed to significant temperature variations. Aluminum is also more susceptible to damage from galvanic corrosion when in contact with dissimilar metals in the presence of an electrolyte such as moisture. Therefore, it's important to use appropriate fittings and hardware that are compatible with aluminum, or to use isolating methods to prevent direct contact between aluminum and other metals like steel or copper. Aluminum is also softer than steel, which makes it easier to bend and cut, but also more prone to dents and scratches. Care should be taken during handling and installation to avoid damaging the surface of the conduit. When cutting aluminum conduit, it's essential to use a fine-tooth saw blade or a specialized conduit cutter designed for aluminum. This will help to prevent burrs and rough edges, which can make threading difficult and can also damage the insulation of the wires being pulled through the conduit. Deburring the cut ends of the conduit is always a good practice. After cutting the conduit, use a deburring tool or file to remove any sharp edges or burrs from the inside and outside of the cut. This will ensure a smooth surface for threading and will prevent damage to the wire insulation during the pulling process. Use appropriate thread sealant or compound. When joining sections of aluminum conduit or attaching fittings, it's important to use a thread sealant or compound that is specifically designed for use with aluminum. This will help to prevent corrosion and ensure a watertight seal. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when applying the sealant or compound. When pulling wires through aluminum conduit, use a wire pulling lubricant that is compatible with aluminum. This will help to reduce friction and make the pulling process easier. Avoid using lubricants that contain graphite or other conductive materials, as these can cause corrosion. Always follow the NEC, National Electrical Code guidelines for conduit fill. The NEC specifies the maximum number of wires that can be installed in a conduit of a given size. These guidelines are designed to prevent overheating and ensure that the wires can be easily pulled through the conduit. When installing aluminum conduit outdoors, it's important to use fittings and supports that are rated for outdoor use. These fittings are designed to withstand exposure to the elements and will help to prevent corrosion. In areas where the conduit is exposed to direct sunlight, it may be necessary to use a sunlight-resistant coating or wrap to protect the aluminum from ultraviolet radiation. When installing aluminum conduit in a corrosive environment, such as near saltwater or in an industrial setting, it's important to use special precautions to protect the conduit from corrosion. This may include using a corrosion-resistant coating or wrapping, or using a different type of conduit altogether. Check local codes and regulations. Before installing any electrical conduit, it's important to check with the local building department to ensure that you are in compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. This may include requirements for grounding, bonding, and support spacing. Ensure proper grounding and bonding. Proper grounding and bonding are essential for safety. Aluminum conduit must be properly grounded and bonded to prevent electrical shock hazards. Follow the NEC guidelines for grounding and bonding aluminum conduit. Properly support aluminum conduit. Support the conduit at appropriate intervals to prevent sagging and to maintain its structural integrity. The NEC specifies the maximum spacing between supports for different sizes of conduit. Avoid mixing aluminum and steel conduit in the same run. Avoid doing this. Mixing aluminum and steel conduit in the same run can lead to galvanic corrosion. If it is necessary to transition between aluminum and steel conduit, use a dielectric fitting to isolate the two metals. Consider using rigid PVC conduit in certain applications. Rigid PVC conduit is a non-metallic alternative to aluminum conduit that is resistant to corrosion and is easy to install. It may be a good choice for applications where corrosion is a concern. Aluminum conduit provides excellent electromagnetic shielding. In applications where electromagnetic interference is a concern, aluminum conduit can provide excellent shielding to protect sensitive electronic equipment. Aluminum conduit is lightweight, which makes it easier to handle and install than steel conduit, especially in long runs or overhead applications. Aluminum conduit is recyclable and environmentally friendly. Aluminum is a recyclable material, making it a more environmentally friendly choice than some other types of conduit. Aluminum conduit offers comparable strength to steel conduit in many applications. While aluminum is not as strong as steel, it is strong enough for most electrical conduit applications. Aluminum conduit is generally more expensive than steel conduit, but it can be a cost-effective choice in the long run due to its corrosion resistance and ease of installation. When cutting aluminum conduit, use a sharp blade to minimize burrs. A sharp blade will help to ensure a clean cut and will minimize the amount of deburring required. Use a miter saw with a non-ferrous metal cutting blade for best results. When bending aluminum conduit, use a bender specifically designed for aluminum conduit. These benders have a larger radius than benders designed for steel conduit, which helps to prevent kinking and deformation. Be sure to select the correct size of bender for the size of conduit you are bending. When using a hand bender, apply steady pressure and avoid jerking or forcing the conduit. This can cause the conduit to kink or collapse. Use a level to ensure that the bends are accurate and consistent. When installing aluminum conduit in concrete, protect it from direct contact with the concrete. Concrete can corrode aluminum, so it's important to protect the conduit with a layer of tape or a special coating. Use non-shrink wrap to fill any voids around the conduit. When installing aluminum conduit underground, use direct burial rated conduit and fittings. These are designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the underground environment. Backfill the trench with clean, compacted soil. When connecting aluminum conduit to equipment, use a suitable connector that is designed for use with aluminum conduit. These connectors are designed to provide a secure and corrosion-resistant connection. Ensure that the connector is properly tightened to prevent loosening. When supporting aluminum conduit, use straps or clamps that are compatible with aluminum conduit. These supports are designed to prevent corrosion and to provide a secure hold. Space the supports according to the NEC guidelines. When terminating aluminum conduit, use a proper grounding bushing. A grounding bushing will ensure a proper electrical connection between the conduit and the equipment. Tighten the grounding bushing securely. Regularly inspect aluminum conduit for signs of corrosion or damage. If you find any corrosion or damage, repair or replace the affected section of conduit immediately. Keep aluminum conduit clean and free of debris. This will help to prevent corrosion and to ensure that the conduit performs properly. Use a mild detergent and water to clean the conduit. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasives. When storing aluminum conduit, keep it in a dry place. Moisture can corrode aluminum, so it's important to store the conduit in a dry environment. Cover the conduit with a tarp or plastic sheeting to protect it from the elements. When transporting aluminum conduit, protect it from damage. Aluminum conduit is relatively soft and can be easily damaged during transport. Use padding or wrapping to protect the conduit from scratches and dents. Secure the conduit properly to prevent it from shifting during transport. Always disconnect power before working on any electrical system. This is the most important safety precaution to take when working with electricity. Use a qualified electrician for any electrical work that you are not comfortable doing yourself. Electricity can be dangerous, so it's important to use a qualified electrician for any work that requires specialized knowledge or equipment. Consult the NEC for specific requirements and guidelines related to aluminum conduit installation. The NEC provides detailed information on the proper installation of electrical conduit, including aluminum conduit. Always follow the NEC guidelines to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Obtain necessary permits and inspections before starting any electrical work. In most jurisdictions, it is necessary to obtain a permit and have the work inspected by a qualified inspector before starting any electrical work. This will help to ensure that the work is done safely and in accordance with local codes. Aluminum conduit is a versatile and reliable material for electrical wiring. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and compliant installation. Aluminum rigid metal conduit, or RMC, provides a raceway for electrical conductors. It's a common choice for protecting wiring in various applications. Aluminum conduit offers several advantages over other materials such as steel, including its lighter weight and resistance to corrosion. Aluminum is approximately 1/3 the weight of steel, making it easier to handle and install, especially in long runs or overhead applications. Aluminum's natural oxide coating provides excellent protection against corrosion, making it suitable for use in damp or corrosive environments. However, aluminum is more expensive than steel and may not be as strong. When selecting aluminum conduit, consider the specific requirements of the application, including the environmental conditions, the mechanical stresses involved, and the budget. Different types and grades of aluminum conduit are available, each with its own unique properties and performance characteristics. Choose a conduit that is appropriate for the intended use. Before installing aluminum conduit, carefully plan the layout and routing of the conduit run. Consider the location of electrical panels, equipment, and other components, as well as any obstacles or obstructions that may need to be avoided. Measure and mark the conduit accurately to ensure a proper fit. Use appropriate tools for cutting, bending, and threading aluminum conduit. Specialized tools are available that are specifically designed for working with aluminum, ensuring clean cuts, accurate bends, and secure threads. When cutting aluminum conduit, use a fine-toothed saw blade or a specialized conduit cutter designed for aluminum. This will help to prevent burrs and rough edges. Deburr the cut ends of the conduit to remove any sharp edges or burrs. This will ensure a smooth surface for threading and will prevent damage to the wire insulation during the pulling process. When bending aluminum conduit, use a bender specifically designed for aluminum conduit. These benders have a larger radius than benders designed for steel conduit, which helps to prevent kinking and deformation. Apply steady pressure and avoid jerking or forcing the conduit. Use a level to ensure that the bends are accurate and consistent. When threading aluminum conduit, use a sharp die specifically designed for aluminum. Apply a generous amount of lubrication to the conduit and die to reduce friction and prevent galling. Thread slowly and steadily to avoid overheating or deformation. Use a pull-type die for better control and less effort. Use appropriate fittings and connectors for joining sections of aluminum conduit and attaching conduit to equipment. Ensure that the fittings and connectors are compatible with aluminum and are suitable for the intended environment. Apply a thread sealant or compound that is specifically designed for use with aluminum. This will help to prevent corrosion and ensure a watertight seal. Support aluminum conduit properly to prevent sagging and to maintain its structural integrity. Space the supports according to the NEC guidelines. Use straps or clamps that are compatible with aluminum conduit. Ground aluminum conduit properly to prevent electrical shock hazards. Follow the NEC guidelines for grounding and bonding aluminum conduit. Use a grounding bushing to ensure a proper electrical connection between the conduit and the equipment. Inspect aluminum conduit regularly for signs of corrosion or damage. Repair or replace any damaged or corroded sections of conduit immediately. Keep aluminum conduit clean and free of debris to prevent corrosion and ensure proper performance. Aluminum conduit is a valuable resource for protecting electrical wiring in a variety of applications. By following these guidelines, you can ensure safe, reliable, and long-lasting installation. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work that you are not comfortable doing yourself.